Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit HubSpot theme settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the settings button for your HubSpot account. Click on this gear icon to open the main settings panel where you can configure various aspects of your account. After clicking the gear icon, a settings panel will appear. Now take a look at the left side of the screen where you'll find a vertical menu with different sections. Scroll down through this menu until you locate the Tools section. This is where HubSpot groups together all the technical and content management features. Under the Tools section, find and click on Content. This will expand to show you additional options related to your website content. From these options, click on Themes and Modules. This is the area where you can manage the visual appearance and functionality of your HubSpot website. Once you're in the Themes and Modules area, look at the top of the screen and click on Themes. This will display all the themes that are available in your HubSpot account, including both active and inactive themes that you can work with. Now browse through the list of themes until you find the one you want to edit. Once you've located it, click Edit Theme next to that specific theme. This will open the Theme Editor, which is a powerful tool that lets you customize various aspects of your website's design without needing to touch any code. After the Theme Editor opens, you'll notice an option at the top that says View On. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the view you want to work with. This allows you to preview how your changes will look on different pages or templates while you're editing. Now, let's dive into the actual editing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see options to edit the global theme styles. Start by clicking on Presets if you want to adjust the overall theme settings. These presets control the foundational design elements that affect your entire website. Next, click on Fonts to customize your typography. Here you can edit the base fonts, headings, body text, or any other text elements throughout your theme. This is where you ensure your website's text matches your brand style and is easy to read. You can also click on Color to modify your color scheme. This section lets you edit base color 1 through 3, adjust accent colors, and change section colors. These color choices will influence the overall look and feel of your website, so take your time selecting colors that represent your brand. Beyond fonts and colors, you can also edit individual elements like buttons, links, forms, cards, and tags. Each of these components can be styled independently to create a cohesive and professional appearance across your entire website. Once you're done making all your edits and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save at the top of the screen. This will apply all your changes to the theme and make them live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully edited your HubSpot theme settings and customized your website's appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.